If you want to generate short form videos for your Insta or YouTube shorts, then this video is for you. Even using this content, you can start a faceless channel. Maybe it can be for a history channel or a travel blog or maybe food blog. Now, let me show you what are the things I'm talking about and you'll be able to utilize this feature. So if you follow my mouse, currently I'm in flexclip.com. That's the software we are going to use. I'm in their website. Here you can see I'm already using this particular software to edit some of my contents also. If you click on create a video, there you will be able to get multiple different options based on the aspect ratio or the social channel you are trying to generate your video for, that you can select as per your requirement. Let me select this second option for TikTok, YouTube and Instagram because we are going to generate our shorts using this particular method. Let me click on it and then it will open a blank canvas and there you'll be able to start working. Now what it is doing, first of all, it will give you a prompt that to import your media, but we are not going to import any of the media. We are going to generate using AI. So if I click on this cross and then I go to this option of tools, and there one option is there, AI video generator. If I click on that, and there you'll be getting two options. One is AI text to video, so you can give a prompt and it will generate the video for you. Second one is article or URL to video. If you have any specific article or link, that also you can use to generate videos, but I'll check the first one, AI text to video. So let me click on that. Now there is one option, you need to give your prompt. One thing to notice here, there is a 8,000 character limit, so which is huge. So you can describe your requirement in real detailed way. I already copied one of the prompt. Let me paste it here. Help me create an engaging video covering top 7 places to visit in Europe. This video should be covering 1 minute long, including high quality footage of all 7 places and write text describing main attraction of each places. So this is my prompt and using which I'll generate the video. Now in the second option, you'll be able to see that there are multiple different caption styles. So if you select any of them, that particular style will be utilized in this particular video. But not to worry, you can change it later also during the editing process. There are few other options here, so you can choose any of them. I'll select this particular option of cool text and I'll click on generate and let's see how it generates. Now it's generating the content. Now it will first give you an outline and from there you will be able to work further. Currently you can see that it already created one of the outline. So if you want to change any of the content here, what you can do, you can click on this replace media and there you will be able to change any of the content here. So if I find one and if I click on this particular option and click on replace, then this particular media will get included. So you can see now it generated. You can change as per your requirement. You can change your text, whatever you are looking for. You can add a scene, you can delete it, you can change the duration, all those things you can do. So enter control is in your hands. So what it did, it initially created the outline and on top of that you can start working on it. And once you are ready, you can click on add to timeline and it will add all the clips in the timeline. Couple of more things it will do. It will add the clips, it will add that particular caption of the specific clip, and it will also add one of the soundtrack which you can use. Now one big thing is everything can be customized here and you will be able to change it till the time you are getting the output as per your requirement. Let me show you a few of the options. You can see currently it's included everything. If I click on any of my clips and there you will be able to see how the clip is fitting in the screen. You can adjust it further and you will be able to get the desired result. If you want to place it elsewhere, you can move and you can do accordingly. And after everything is done, then you will be able to play. Now, if you want to add any of the effect also that you can do, there are certain effects available here. If you see, if I click on this particular option, effects, and there multiple different options are there. If I just show you one thing, if I click on this particular option, then it will add that effect here. And if I play, you will be able to see this particular effect is in play. Now, there are multiple different options. This is a huge collection of effects. And if you expand any of this section, you'll be able to see multiple different effects inside that main heading. So there's a huge library of all those effects and themes you can use from here. So that's one part. Second one is that audio is also added. You can play it and you can also change as per your requirement. Another thing I wanted to show you here, if I click on the audio, you'll be able to click on the fade so that in the beginning, how many seconds of fade you want to introduce. If I just type 2 here and at the end, if I click 5, then this 2 and 5 seconds fade will get added here. You can see this fade has been added and here is also. If I expand it a bit, you can see this particular audio is ending here. So in case you want to change this particular audio, you can also do that. So one important point is you can see that whenever we are generating content from text to video, it's not generating a full video. What it is doing, based on your prompt, it is searching for multiple different photos and videos from stock library, and from there it is putting together. So which means you will have that options to change any of the media as per your requirement. The main benefit is you will be able to generate your content very quickly. That's the most important part. So what I'll do now, let me export it. There are certain work still needs to be done. You can change this particular audio track so that it can fill the entire thing, but I'll not waste your time doing those things here. So you can do it based on your requirement. If you want to change any of the media, you can do that. You can also right click on any of the video and add some of the effects here. Reverse video is there. I already published another video covering this particular feature, and different other options, whatever you need to edit this particular video, those all are also here. Now let us do few more things. First of all, let's save this particular project with a name. So I'll just name it as Insta. Currently it generated the footages, it added the audio, and it also added subtitle. Now another thing we can do here, we can add a voiceover using the same tool only. Now let me do one thing. If I go to subtitle and there I download this entire text as TXT. So let me do that. It's giving two options, subtitle only or subtitles and timestamps. I will go ahead with subtitles only because using this text, I will generate the voiceover for this particular video. Let me click on that. Now text has been generated. If I open that text, so this is the text it generated. Now if I copy the entire text and then I come back here, then I go to tools and then I go to AI text to speech. If I click on that, here I'll be able to generate the voiceover. I'll just copy the text here. Now there will be certain options, which language, which voice we want to use. So I'll use one of the voice here. Let me play it.
The world of literature opens doors to new worlds.
Sounds fine. And you want to change anything here, voice style also you can change. There are multiple different options, general assistant. So after selecting the voice, you'll be able to come to this voice style and there you'll be able to choose the options. I'll continue with general here. Now the speed, speech, everything you can check and you can adjust accordingly. What I'll do, I'll click on generate and let's see how it comes back with. Now you can see it generated the voice, and now if I play here.
Welcome to our video featuring the top 7 places to visit in Europe.
Okay, let me do one thing. Let me click on save to media. So now our voiceover is ready. What we need to do, we need to just add it to our timeline. If I click on this icon, this particular audio has been added. Now let us move it here and then see where it was starting, and let's try to play and see that how it's looking now.
Welcome to our video featuring the top 7 places to visit in Europe. First stop, the beautiful city of Paris.
Okay, the background sound volume is too high, so we need to click on there, and there we can adjust the volume. Currently it's 80%. Let me change it to 50% and then play again.
Rich art history. Next.
Still it's high. So what I'll do, I'll change the volume to 30% now. And now if I play again.
First stop, the beautiful city of Paris, known for its iconic Eiffel Tower and rich art history.
So there are two things we can adjust here. So there are some background sound. What we can do, we can click on here and we can detach the audio, and then that audio part we can remove from that particular footage. So this particular footage will not have any audio. Another thing was there was a bit of a sync issue between captions and the voiceover. So there are two ways to handle it. First one is, while generating the voiceover, you can change the speed of the audio and also the pitch so that can be in sync. Second way is you can adjust these captions here and you can adjust accordingly so your captions and the voiceover will be in sync. So you can work on this. So net you got the idea how to generate this type of contents using FlexClip. So let me do one thing. Now we have generated the content and you got that idea that how this particular tool will work. While considering I'm describing for the first time to view, and that's why I took some additional time to explain everything. But normally whenever you will be generating, it should not take more than 5 to 7 minutes to generate an 1 minute content of video. And let me now click on export, and if I go to video, I'll select the 1080p here and I'll click on export. Now it will start generating the export process and it will show you the progress. Normally for a 1 minute video, it takes nearly 1 minute to generate, and let's see how it comes back with. Then after that we'll play. Now the video is ready. So if I double click there and I'll try to open the video and let's see how it sounds. Let me play it in a full screen.
Welcome to our video featuring the top 7 places to visit in Europe. First stop, the beautiful city of Paris, known for its iconic Eiffel Tower and rich art history. Next, we head to the romantic city of Venice, famous for its scenic canals and charming gondola rides. Moving on to the historic city of Rome, home to ancient ruins like the Colosseum and the Vatican. Now, let's explore the vibrant city of Barcelona, known for its unique architecture and lively street scenes. Heading to the stunning city of Santorini, with its picturesque white buildings perched on cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea. Our sixth destination is the magical city of Prague, known for its charming old town square and historic architecture.
So FlexClip have different plans. The free one have certain limitations, but if you are fine with that, you can start with that and you can continue working. If you have any requirement for the paid plan, I will add one link in the description below, which will be an affiliate link. I may get some of the small commission, but without any additional cost to you. On top of it, I'll add one coupon code in the description below, using which first 35 enrollments will get 35% discount on any of the paid plan. That code also you can use. Hope this video was helpful. Check out this video to know how can you generate subtitles for your video. That's also for free.